Accidents like losing your phone or accidentally deleting data happen, so backing up your Android is crucial. In this video, we'll cover 9 easy and secure ways to back up your Android files. Way 1. How to back up Android phone to computer expertly. One-click way. There are many premium programs for a computer that offers more of a Google-like experience, but for phone backup only, we suggest you take Mobikin Backup Manager for Android as your top priority. How do I back up my Android phone with Android Backup and Restore? Step 1. Launch the software and connect your Android via USB. Step 2. Enable USB debugging on your phone, then select Backup on the main screen. Step 3. Backup. Choose any file categories you'd like to back up. Next, specify an output location on the computer to save them. Finally, click Backup to copy the chosen data types onto this computer. Way 2. How to back up Android to Google Drive. Install Google Drive, tap plus, then Upload to select Files, or go to Settings, Google, Backup, and tap Backup Now. Way 3. How to back up Android device to Google One. Go to Settings, Google Backup, enable Google One, select what to back up, and tap Backup Now. Backup may take up to 24 hours. Way 4. How to back up Android phone to PC via USB only. Connect your Android via USB and select File Transfer or Android Auto on your computer. Open this PC, find your phone, and select the files. Right-click to copy, then paste them into a folder on your computer. Way 5. How to back up Android to PC by Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable on your PC. Go to Settings, Devices, Bluetooth, and pair with your phone. In the File Manager app, select Files, tap Send, and choose Bluetooth to transfer. Way 6. How to back up phone on Mac with Nearby Share. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. On Android, select a file, tap Share, then Nearby Share, and choose your Mac. Accept the transfer on your Mac. The file will save in Downloads. Way 7. How to back up Android device to Chromebook. Connect your Android to the Chromebook via USB. Select File Transfer in the Notification. In the Files app, drag the items you want to back up. Way 8. How to back up Android to SD card via Super Backup and Restore. Install Super Backup and Restore. Choose a backup path: SD card or internal storage. Select Files and tap Backup or Backup All. Way 9. How to back up Android to Samsung Cloud. Samsung only. Go to Settings, Accounts, and Backup, Backup and Restore. Sign into your Samsung account, tap Backup My Data, select data types, and tap Backup.